Suppose that instead of being given angle measures and a side length and being asked to find missing side lengths, we were given two or three side lengths and asked to find the angle measures. So here we have the length of one leg and the length of the hypotenuse. We could use Pythagorean theorem, of course, to find the length of the third side. To find the angle measures, though, we will have to use trigonometry. And in this case, we're not looking for the length of a side, we're looking for the measure of an angle. So here, let's again use angle A as our reference. We have the side opposite angle A and we have the hypotenuse. So opposite side and hypotenuse means that we're using the sine. So the sine of angle A is equal to the opposite side BC over the hypotenuse AC, which gives us 5.7 over 9.15. So whatever A is, the angle A, whatever its measure, we know that the sine of angle A is equal to 5.7 over 9.15. So that means that the sine of A is equal to 0.62. So on your calculator now, whereas before when you were given the angle measure and you wanted to find the ratio that goes with that angle measure, you would hit, for example, sine and then the number of degrees for the angle, and the calculator would give you the ratio. Now what you're going to hit is second, then sine, and you're going to enter the ratio, 0.62, and the calculator is going to print out the angle measure that goes with the ratio of 0.62. So in other words, we're doing the inverse operation of finding the sine, and that is designated by the sine inverse, which is a sign looks like an exponent of -1, but what that really means is the inverse sign. It means instead of being given a degree measure and asked to find a ratio, you're being given a ratio and asked to find a degree measure. Again, on your calculator, you would hit second sine 0.62, and your calculator would then give you the angle measure of 38.58 degrees, or maybe a little different because of rounding issues. You know, therefore, that the other angle, angle C here, would have a measure of 90 minus 38.58 degrees, or 51.42, and those are our angle measures.